Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the long block stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5. I have already made 30 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 5 double crochet into the 7th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You're going to make 5 double crochet into that chain. Now you're going to skip 4 chains, and then into this next one you're going to make 5 double crochet. And that's going to be our sequence. Skip 4 chains, into this next one make 5 double crochet. Skip 4 chains, into this next one 5 double crochet. Skip 4 chains, into this next one 5 double crochet. When you reach the end of your row, when you run out of chains to skip, you're going to skip to the last chain in this row. You're going to skip these to this last chain. Into this last chain, you're going to work 1 double crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to immediately get into our sequence. You're going to make 5 chains. To skip any shell of 5 double crochet, so you can see this is a shell of 5 double crochet here. And then in between these 2 shells of 5 double crochet, you're going to make a single crochet. So it's going to look like this. Then you're going to start repeating that, make 5 chains. Skip this next shell of 5 double crochet into this space between these 2 shells right here, make a single crochet. Make 5 chains. Skip this next shell of 5 double crochet into this space right here between these 2, make a single crochet. Make 5 chains. Skip this next shell of 5 double crochet into this space between these 2 shells, make a single crochet. Make 5 chains. Skip this last shell of 5 double crochet. You're going to have some chains over here at the end. Make a single crochet into the top of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. This row is going to be pretty simple. You're going to be working 5 double crochets into each chain space. You're going to be skipping over any stitches and only working into these chain spaces. So we're going to be skipping over the first stitch since these chains count as a double crochet. So into each of these chain spaces, make 5 double crochet until you reach the last stitch of this row. So once you reach the end of this row and you only have one stitch left, work one double crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. That is going to be how to make the long block stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.